My name is Jasmine if you're new here, and welcome to another video. So today your sis is on her way to a girls' day. Finally, okay? I haven't had a girls' day out since I had COVID, so like I'm looking forward to this so much, and I'm excited to meet up with my friend Jenna because I haven't seen her in ages. So I'm so excited to just have a catch-up sesh with her. We always go to downtown, find a cute spot, have a good time. So I thought I would just sit down with you guys and film my look. I really have no business filming right now because I need to be rushing out, but we gonna do a quick 1-2-1-2 get ready with me, okay? But I just wanted to go for something like a pop of color to match my hijab that I'm gonna wear. I'll show you guys my final fit at the end, but I just didn't want to get my hijab dirty because, you know, chiffon, ain't nobody got time for that. If you know, you know. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in closer and we're just gonna get to it. And for our eyeshadow today, I'm gonna go in with this palette by Sigma Beauty. The colors are so beautiful. This is their collab with Beauty Bird and it's called the Dream Palette. I just love the packaging. I think it's so cute. The palette is huge, as you can see, and you have a lot of colors to work with. You know, you have pops of color, you have your browns and golds to do a soft glam look. So for me, it's perfect because it has a little bit of everything, but I really want to go into this matte blue right here and do like a pop of blue on the lid and keep everything else nice and soft. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with my transition color, and I'm going to take this shade right over here. It's called Boo Boo. Such a funny name. And to intensify the crease, I'm gonna take this dark brown shade. And I'm also gonna make sure to take the time to really blend it out because I don't want it to be too harsh. I want everything to look really nice and soft. But so far, this palette is giving what I needed to give. Like the pigment is so nice and it's blending like a gem. So I am really here for that. So I went ahead and cleaned up my lid a bit so that I can prep it for this beautiful turquoise blue shade. I'm just gonna pick some of that up and just start to pack it in. And it's the pigment for me. Are you guys seeing that? Like, wow. Sigma did not come to play with this palette. That's all I gotta say. I mean, this video is not gonna be a review, so I won't go in too deep, okay? I'm happy that I'm trying this palette for the first time and it didn't play me because I'm in a rush and I literally didn't want to have to fix any mistakes. So I'm really happy that it's coming through with the colors. It's so pretty. As you can see, I have a lot of fallout and ain't nobody got time for that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take a little bit of a cotton pad and I'm gonna pick up some of this CeraVe Hydrating Marcilla water. This is their ultra gentle cleanser. It says that it's meant to cleanse, hydrate, and remove makeup without disturbing the protective skin barrier. I just picked this up from Shoppers, bought it myself, not sponsored or anything. I've been testing it out for the past few days. So far, my skin has been responding to it pretty well. I ran out of my Caudalie Marcilla water that I normally go in with, so I decided just to pick this up at Shoppers the other day. And you know, I feel like CeraVe is just one of those brands that will never disappoint. But now just looking at my eyes, guys, I feel like this blue is just too bam, you know? Like it's just a little too harsh of a pop of color. Like at first I was thinking, let me go for a matte eye look, but now I kind of feel like it needs a little zhuzhing up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take this Sigma palette, and this is their Glow Kissed highlight palette. So I'm gonna take this shade and it's called Golden Hour, and I think it will just sit really nicely on the shadow. Every time I have a matte shade and I just change my mind, if I don't want to do like a whole matte look and I want to add a little sparkle onto my lid, I go in with a highlight because when you dab it in with your finger, it adds some nice shimmer to your shadow shade without changing the complete hue or losing that pigmented color, vibrant color that you have on the lid. So that's just like a little tip that I've learned along the way that I like to use. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that highlight and just start to pack it in. And don't worry about it being a little messy, guys, when you apply it, because you can go in with the same brush that you use for your transition color just to, you know, make it neat again. Alright guys, so I'm going to leave eyes as is for now, and we're going to jump into complexion. And I'm going to start by priming my skin with my Milk Makeup Ultimate Duo. You guys already know what it is, okay? And if you don't know, you're about to know, okay? I love going in with the hydrating oil stick as well as the blur stick. The blur stick obviously to blur out my texture, and the hydrating oil to add moisture into the skin since I do have dry skin. And these two together just really help my base look flawless and glowy, which is what I love, okay? So I'm gonna go in with some of that. And for foundation, I'm going to be taking this one by Huda Beauty. This is her Full Filter Skin Finish Foundation Stick. This has become my go-to for when I'm going out and about because I love the coverage, but it's very natural on the skin. And then I'm just gonna take a little more just right around my mouth and then just right here on my chin, just for a little more coverage in that area. And then on other parts of my face, I'm gonna just take my sponge and just really blend my foundation in so it looks super flawless and there's no streaks at all. For concealer today, I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer in the shade Warm Sand. And normally I would just let that set for a few minutes before I go ahead and blend it out so that it has fuller coverage. But your girl is in a rush, okay? She got a reservation to make, so we're just gonna have to blend it out quickly and just take the coverage that we get, period. But honestly, Too Faced never lets me down, so we should be good either way. So I'm just gonna take the same sponge and just start to blend that out. And this sponge is by e.l.f., guys. It is everything. I feel like this sponge, as well as my ColourPop sponges, are my favorite. So that just goes to show that you don't have to spend a lot of money on a sponge to get a flawless finish. So I went ahead and set my under eye real quick, and I used my Huda Beauty setting powder. You guys already know it's my new fave, okay, in the shade Banana Bread. And now I'm gonna go in with some bronzer. Gonna be taking another fave of mine by Charlotte Tilbury, Airbrush Bronzer in the shade Tan. And for highlight, I'm gonna go back in with the same Sigma palette and pick up these two shades. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the shade that we used on our lid, as well as this shade, which is called Sunstone, and mix them together. I think it would make a really cute highlight. Alright, and that is pretty much everything that I'm gonna do for the base, nice and quick. I'm gonna go in with some mascara now. I wanna try this new one from MAC. This is their Magic Extension Mascara. So let's see what it's about. So first thoughts on the mascara, it ain't really doing much for me, to be honest, but if it doesn't flake and it's a good mascara, which I'll keep you guys posted in another video, this might be a good go-to for when I'm applying falsies because I like that it's not thick and chunky. I'm gonna go in with lashes now, and the style that I'm gonna take is by Velour, and this is their It's So Fluffy lashes, and I do have a coupon code with them so that you guys can save at checkout. I'll insert it on the screen. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just apply these real quick and be right back. Alright guys, and lashes are on, and they literally brought this look to life. I am obsessed. I'm gonna go ahead and complete the vibe with a lip combo. I'm gonna start off with my Huda Beauty Rich Brown Lip Contour, my favorite lip liner at the moment, and just start to line my lips. And I'm gonna go in with a brown nude. I would say the name of this lipstick, but I'm not really supporting this brand like that. But it's the only brown lip that I have right now that really is gonna go with the vibe that I wanna do. So I would just say go in with any shade of brown that's similar to this, okay guys? And then right in the center, I'm gonna take the Huda Beauty Cream Lipstick in the shade Empress. Alright guys, and this is the final lip, like a cute little brown nudie moment. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. But yeah, that brings me to the end of this little get ready with me. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this beat because I'm kind of obsessed. I think I'm falling in love with more soft glam versions of pops of color, if you know what I mean, on the lid. Like just having it being more understated. Like I love a dramatic eye look too, don't get me wrong. But I just love playing with color in a way that's more subtle, more wearable, you know what I mean? So yes, I'm here for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just change my fit and I'll be right back. All right guys, and I'm back. Hijab is changed, top is changed. I'm ready to go. I went with this like more whimsical hijab style. I'm kind of feeling it, but I also pinned it in a way that it doesn't show my neck throughout the day, so we're secured, you know what I mean? But it still allows us to have some cute earring action. My earrings are from Guess. Hijab is from a Veiled Collection. Undercap is from I Love Modesty. And my top is from Zara. I'll make sure to like insert an Instagram picture if I, you know, get a cute pic. I'll insert it right here so you guys can see the floral design of the top a little more. But yeah, I'm gonna rush to head out because I don't want to face any traffic and I don't want to be late for my sis. So I hope you guys enjoyed this girls' day out get ready with me. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and join the family so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. Turn your bell notifications on as well. Make sure you come say hi in the comments because I love when you guys leave me a comment. I just, you know, makes my day, okay? And let me know if you enjoyed this type of get ready with me style video because I'll bring on more. So I'm gonna insert some clips of my day right after this, but I love you guys. Your support means so much to me. Thank you again for watching, and like always, I'll see you in my next video.
La luna está llena, mi cama vacía, lo que yo te haría. te estuviera de frente, la mente te la volaría. De noche de día,